Hey guys, the easiest way I found to replace this is with a 5/16 nut runner. Now you can do it with a screwdriver, you can reach down in there somehow, but with an extension on a drill, it's much easier. You can see there are six screws we have to take out. Just take it out about 3/4 of the way. Okay, with all the bolts loose, we're just going to move the air filter up and out of the way. Pull the old one out, which it's got some dirt to it. So we'll set that there. Simply drop the new one back in, reposition the housing, make sure it's sitting nice and level, and run the screws back down. And it really is that easy, guys. The new air filter's in there. We have one more thing we have to do. Let's get inside the cab. I'll show you how to reset that notification so that the air filter life is set back to 100%. To reset the notification on the air filter life, you gotta have your vehicle running. So we'll start it up. On my vehicle, everything is done on the steering wheel, so I'll show you how I reset mine. All right, so we're gonna push right here. We get this. I roll this. Let's see. Trip, fuel, oil life, tire pressure, air filter. Okay, so we're gonna push that. So now it says reset, so we're just gonna push it again. Are you sure you want to reset? We'll push this little arrow this way. 100%. We're in good shape. All right. One press to the left, and we've got our normal gauges back. All right, you guys, that's how easy it is to replace your air filter and let your engine breathe easy. Thanks for watching. If you guys like these kind of videos, hit those like and subscribe buttons, and I'll see you on the next tech tip.